Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast. We have OCGN, and things are looking pretty interesting out there. I want to show you something that suggests this market had better move higher within the next, I'd say the next week, but it has less time than that. I'm going to get into the details. I'm going to show you. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. Let's not waste time and dive right into the chart where it seems like it's near a support level, and we're going to go over the details. Let's dive in, shall we? All right, so today is July the 15th, 2021, and the previous close of OCGN, $6.36, closed negative 1.2% for the day. Okay. Welcome back, ASMR, interesting analysis. Here's the newly minted chart. Okay, the only thing that's really new about this chart is that I've extended the range. Okay, it's at $13.99, but the lower level is still the same at about $5.04. Do I think it can reach that level? I'm open to that. Hopefully you are as well. The reason that I say it's crunch time. That sounded weird. The reason that I'm saying it's crunch time is because notice this ascending financial support level. Do you see that? Yeah, we're literally right up against that line right there right now. So yeah, this market needs to move higher. It needs to, at the very minimum, clear the sell orders above the price. Otherwise, this market is going to move lower, guys. Okay. We still have not invested. Actually, if there be any moment that we want to entertain a position in this market, it'd have to be right here, right now, because it's near a potential support level, meaning that it may not hold. Okay. And it would more likely than not at least get a test or breach of the lower range. Okay, there's a difference between a range and a support line. Right now the support line is the yellow ascending line, and of course the lower portion of the range is $5.04. So yeah, expect this market to I want to enter this market. Yeah, definitely. But either tomorrow or next week, I would likely enter the market, at least entertain some sort of small position, with the assumption that it would actually stay above the $6.20 level. If you're watching this right now, it's already broken below. That's fine. If it didn't age well, we'll just get back in here in the charts and see if we can find out what is actually going on. There was one other level that I remember. Hopefully, you guys remember when we were taking a look at the 3-day candles. Let's pull up the 3-day candles. By the way, we have a weekly and a 3-day candle closing simultaneously on tomorrow's date. Today is the 15th of July, but the 16th is tomorrow. We take one day ahead. The 3-day 50 exponential moving average. Let me pull that up for you here right now. Okay, beautiful. So if we could actually erase everything, you see how, oh man. So the market is just kind of, it's peaking below that level. That's not ideal. You really want to see this market hold above that 50 exponential moving average, because if we get a close below that level, that's not ideal for the bulls, guys. So what we want to see on tomorrow's date, or at least on the next 3-day candle, at least get a push back above this green line. $6.67 is the level of the 50 exponential moving average. I truly think that this is a real either turning point for this market, or the market is going to have to pick up its you-know-what and push its price back above 667. Otherwise, the long-term investors are not going to be too happy about what's going to happen next. But what I look for in a chart, remember, I'm always looking at buyers and sellers. I don't care about anything else, guys. Not to be rude, but I'm focusing on that for you so that you can do your research outside of the price action. You can use it in conjunction, right? The buyers need to step in immediately. I think I've already explained that. But let's just say a hypothetical scenario where the market does close below the 50 exponential moving average. Again, please do this, guys. I'm using tradingview.com. Top left, you're going to hit indicators. I think you can start a free account. When you click indicators and strategies, you're just going to hit EMA. You're going to tap the very top. It says moving average exponential. You click that. Make sure you're using an authentic exponential moving average and nothing modified by someone who's on the platform. And the way that you know that is because you'll see it. It says moving average exponential at the very top when you type in EMA. All right. Now, let's just say, hypothetically speaking, the market does break below this 50 exponential moving average. That's not ideal, but what we would look for next is you want to see, like, let me see if I can find, okay, let's do this. Let's go down here because I want to show you what you want to look for if the market does break below that green line. Okay, you want to look for those very small candles, like something like this. I'm actually going to put like an imaginary green exponential moving line. I'm just using this as an example because you remember what we look for is I'm looking at the story, okay? And when you're looking at candlesticks, it's telling you a story. Whether I get this right or not, it's still telling you a story. The story behind, if we can find like these slow, you see these small red candles like that, that represents buying interest as the market is moving down. Okay, so let me just show you the green line. So let's just say the market does break below that green exponential moving average, and then you get some like little green candles, something like that, to come in that I just circled. That is okay. That is an ideal scenario in order for the market to have a slow, methodic move to the downside as buying activity is going on in preparation for the market to eventually break back above the 50 exponential moving average on the 3-day to propel the price higher eventually, because we still have double-digit targets in this market, and that's not going to change, assuming that the market stays above that $5.04 level. Everything changes if the market breaks below that $5.04 level. So again, all of my bullish predictions, yeah, I guess it is a bullish prediction. All of my bullish observations on this market will become null and void if the market breaks below $5.04. So let's cut it out, guys. I think this video is getting long, so hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully you understand that if the market does break down here in the short term, we're only looking for slow moves. If you get fast drops to the downside, that's just the market. You have to accept what the market is giving you. If you hope and hold, that's you. I don't hope and hold, okay? I strategically enter the market and understand where I will exit the market if it goes against me. Really simple, actually. Very, very simple, okay? If I didn't explain the strength confirmation level, we're nowhere near that level. The strength confirmation is going to be at about $11.30, okay? Let's first see if the financial support level can hold here within the next few, let's say like 2 weeks, because remember, if it gets below this yellow line, it's, yeah, we have to like literally just erase this and just kind of reevaluate what's really going on, okay? But for now, it's on the line. Let's let it play out. Hopefully this was a useful video for you guys. Rewind it back. There's powerful information here, okay? And so go ahead and leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote this video. If you're new, we explored the alternative markets as well. We like to send you information on Bitcoin and altcoins. So kindly subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll send you that when it is available, okay? Appreciate your time. Execute your strategies out there. You guys are awesome for supporting the channel. I really appreciate that. Remember to always be kind, be calm, take care of yourselves, execute your strategies. I said that. And bye for now, guys.